Okay, this is problem number 3 on section 3 of chapter 6. In this problem, we have a population consisting of these numbers 2, 6, and 13, and samples size of size 2 are randomly selected with replacement from the population. So we have these are all the possible combinations. Okay, this problem is pretty similar to the ones we have done before in this section, but now instead of the mean or standard deviation or variance, they want the median of each of the 9 samples. So this is the symbol for sample median, and I'll show you how to find these numbers on the calculator. It's actually easier to find it by hand, to be honest. Like for instance, this median for 2,2 is a number in the middle. Well, in this case there is no number in the middle. When there is no number in the middle, the median is just the average of these two numbers. So the average of 2 and 2 is 2. The average of 6, 6 is 6, and the average of 13 and 13, it is 13 itself. So that's how you complete this diagonal. And for this group 2, 6, again, when you have only 2 elements in the sample, the median is actually the same as the mean of these 2 elements. Okay, so 2 plus 6 is 8, divided by 2 is 4, and you can continue filling out this table in that way. There is an option on the calculator to find the mean of each one of the samples if you want to do it on the calculator, although I think it is way faster doing this by hand. For instance, if you want to get the median of 6 and 13, you go to Stat, you go to Edit, and type 6 and 13. Okay, Start again, calculate, select number 1, you go all the way down to calculate again, press enter, and if you scroll down with the arrow here, you will find the median of that group of 6, 13. Okay, you can actually do it on the calculator as well for each one of the groups, or by hand. Let's go back to this part. So let's see, how many 2's do we have? We only have 1 2 out of the 9. That's why we have 1 over 9. How many 4's do we have? Well, we have 2 4's out of the 9. How many 6's do you have? We only have 1 6 out of 9. And we keep filling out this table in that way. Okay, we have 2 7.5, 2 9.5, and 1 13 out of 9. So that's how you fill out this table. Okay, so for this problem, we need to find also the population median to compare with the mean of the sample median. Let's see, let's calculate the population median. That's pretty simple. The population population median, we have 3 elements, right? 2, 6, and 13. So the median is a number in the middle. Once you order the numbers, actually these are in ascendant order, 2, 6, 13. This is the median, the number in the middle, so that will be 6. Now let's calculate the mean of the sample medians, and that's what we get from this probability distribution. We open the calculator, And again, we go to Start, Edit, and just the same way we did it in the previous video, we set up this calculator to 4, 6, 7.5, 9.5, 13, and on this side we type the probabilities: 1 over 9, 2 over 9, 1 over 9, 2 over 9, 2 over 9 again, and the last one is 1 over 9. Once we set up this table, we go to Start, again, Calculate, number 1, and make sure you type out to this part. Okay, we go to Calculate, Enter, and you will see this is the mean of the sample median. Let me capture that screen, this calculator screen. Okay, again, this one is the mean of the sample median, which is not the same. It's not the same as the population median. That's why the answer for this part B is A. Okay, the population median is not equal to the mean of the sample median. And in general, for the next part, it says the sample medians do not target the population median. So the median is not a good estimator. Okay, the sample median is actually not a good estimator for population median for that reason. And then that's how you do this problem.